June will see Europe's largest airshow take place when the 53rd Paris Air Show opens its doors at Le Bourget Parc des Expositions on Monday, the 17th of June. This biannual event, comprising 4 trade days and 3 public days from the 17th to the 23rd of June, is dedicated to the global aerospace and defence industries to showcase their latest products, as well as providing daily flying displays, a large aircraft static display and modern exhibition halls. This global event has a mixture of both civilian and military aerospace industries, showing a wide range of the latest fixed-winged, unmanned air systems and rotary wing aircraft, together with the latest in aviation technologies. 2019 will expect to see over 142,000 trade and professional visitors, with over 1,500 exhibitors from over 48 countries showcasing their latest products. Jane's Defence and Industry reporters and specialist subject editors will be providing daily news and in-depth analysis, both online, hard copy and video content, covering this important global event.